Okay, today my friends, welcome to Calabash Green SLU and check out my playlist product review. So today on product review I'm featuring this Pressure King Pro. It's an instant pot and it's made by Drew and Cole. Remember guys, I'm not sponsored. It's 14-in-1 digital pressure cooker and it's a 4.8 liter capacity. 4.8 liter capacity. So lots of interesting features, stuff that I'm going to try out. So follow with me as I unbox this instant pot pressure cooker, and as we go along I will try out some of the recipes so that we could all see exactly how it works. Let's see what came in the box. This is the cord. UK plug. Instruction manual. Bigger than I thought though. This is it here guys. Pressure King Pro. It's an instant pot. So I'm just going to do a demo to see how it works. Large enough. This is the bottom half. Okay, today I'm going to try out this new Pressure King Pro. I'm going to cook a cup of rice. This is some Basmati rice. So I'm just going to measure out a cup. So for that recipe, all I would need is a cup of rice and a cup and a half of water. So I'm just going to combine these ingredients in this Pressure King Pro pressure cooker. So the features here for it, at the top here we have the vent. This vent on this side here is to keep it secure and closed. And this other one, after it is cooked, that's to release the steam right here. Right? So whilst it's in the process of cooking, this button here will pop up, it will cook. And then afterwards, if I want a quick release, of whatever that is cooking. After it has finished cooking, the timer has gone off because the timer will buzz. I will just turn it over to this area here and it will vent it out. So it has all the features here on it. Pressure King Pro. You could steam rice, you could meat, you could do poultry, you could saute fish, veg, stew soups, and chili and curry. And the cancel button here, which is this one here, if after a while, when it is cooked, the delay timer comes on, so the food could remain warm. But if you do not want that, you cancel it because it could stay warm. Here, you could cancel it, and when you cancel it, then you could just release the steam for a quick steam release. If you want some more minutes, you could adjust it up and down as to how many minutes you want it more. But for rice is about 12 minutes. So when I put it on, it will be able to come on. It takes about a minute or two, a few minutes, and then it starts to steam and cook. And then afterwards it will cool off. So in all, I would say about 20 minutes it would take from start to finish. But the actual cooking time is 12 minutes. And I would not want it to continue, so I will use the cancel button. I'll cancel it so it won't keep warm. And then afterwards, when I've done that, then I will go up here to release the steam. Turn it this way, and I will release the steam. Pressure King Pro Instant Pot. It's locked in place. Count down from 12 to 1 and then it will beep. Then automatically the keep warm, which is this feature here, will come on. And since it's rice, I may decide not to keep the light is on, I may decide not to keep it on, so I will cancel it. So I press the cancel button here, cancel it. And what I want to do is a quick release. So always make sure that you're protected, you have your oven mitts on, and maybe a spatula or something. So if you look at the top here, you will notice the button here is still up and the nozzle is pointed where it's in the closed form. So what I'm going to do is switch it over on the other side. But in order to do that, you must be properly protected because it will release the steam. So the button has gone down, so that means it has released all the steam, so it's safe for opening. So right now it's turned to the steam section here. It's a bit dark, Hope you can see it. Right, it's focused here. So I took it off from the other side and I put it in here. So right now what I'm going to do is to open it up. Switch it. And open it up. There it is. Just going to check it out. Fluff it up a bit. There it is. Nicely cooked basmati rice. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe. This video is not sponsored, but I hope at least you would support my channel. Calabash Green SLU. Pressure King Pro. Instant Pot. Pressure King Pro Instant Pot.